Hello for all, I am Avatar of Samatech YouTube channel. Follow us to get more info about solar and wind energy, energy management system, energy auditing and others corresponding topics. Welcome again. Today I will present this section of the lecture on behalf of Engineer Sama, a certified energy innovation coach. Sama prepared lecture topic using AI. The title is DC Surge Protection Device SPD for PV Solar Combiner Box, the installation and functions.
Hey there, science fans, Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into the electrifying world of solar power. Solar panels are awesome, converting sunlight directly into electricity. But here's the thing, they need protection from electrical surges. Just like a bolt from the blue, surges can damage your valuable solar equipment. That's where a DC Surge Protection Device, SPD, swoops in to save the day. These nifty devices act like electrical superheroes, diverting excess voltage away from your panels and inverters. Think of an SPD as a shield, deflecting those unexpected power surges and keeping your solar system humming along smoothly. Trust me, investing in an SPD is a smart move to safeguard your solar investment. By installing an SPD, you're adding an extra layer of protection against the unpredictable nature of electricity. Stay tuned as we walk through each step of the installation process together. Let's get started. Before we jump into the installation, let's gather our tools like a true science crew. Having the right equipment on hand makes the process smoother and safer. First and foremost, safety glasses are a must-have. We're dealing with electricity, so protecting our eyes is crucial. Insulated gloves are another essential item, shielding our hands from potential shocks. For the actual wiring, we'll need a few trusty tools. Wire strippers will help us expose the conductor ends for secure connections. A set of screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead, will come in handy for tightening terminals and mounting the SPD. And of course, no electrical work is complete without a trusty voltage tester. This handy device will confirm that the circuits are de-energized before we begin any work. Remember, safety is our top priority. Now, before we even think about touching any wires, let's talk safety. Electricity is powerful stuff, and we need to treat it with respect. First things first, always de-energize the solar system before working on it. This means disconnecting the system from the solar panels and the grid. Think of it like flipping off a light switch but for your entire solar setup. Next, double-check that the circuits are indeed de-energized using a voltage tester. Remember, never assume the system is off. Always verify. And here's a golden rule. If you're ever unsure about a step or encounter something unexpected, stop and consult a qualified electrician. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Alright, with safety covered, let's find the perfect spot for our SPD. Ideally, we want to install it as close as possible to where the solar panel wiring enters our house or building. Why so close? Because the SPD's job is to intercept surges before they can reach our valuable equipment. Placing it near the entry point provides the fastest and most effective protection. When selecting a location, make sure it's dry, well ventilated, and away from any flammable materials. We don't want any accidental fires, right? A cool, dry environment will help the SPD function properly and have a long lifespan.